Tell us about your role in this movie, Priya.
Play the character of Nandita, and Nandita is a cabaret dancer in the 1970s and 80s. It's the film is based in the 70s and the 80s, and I think she's a diva cabaret dancer by night and a normal girl next door in the day, and she's the conflict that happens between the brothers. They're not really brothers, but they're like blood brothers, you know, and. That's the character I play, and it's been an extremely fun journey for me.
Ha. But I am attracted. I find these layered characters, these grey characters, very very interesting to play. Otherwise, they're really only good or bad or it's much more interesting to be in the grey. I enjoy.
Even if I'd done 20 other bad boy roles or gunda roles and this film came my way, I still wouldn't have said no because the material is so good. And aaj ke zamane mein, in today's day and age, there are no blacks and whites, there are a lot of greys. Ishaq Zadeh dealt with the greys about a boy who thinks he's doing something right but actually he goes very wrong. Aurangzeb has a good and a bad, and how they swap when power comes in their way. And Gunde quintessentially don't go by the title alone. If you
Nandita's
see
character
what we end
has,
up
there's so
doing or
many
what we are
different
called-
emotions that are going on in her head at all times, and I think that for me was the coolest part, to actually at one point in every scene to not have an isolated emotion. For me, that was really cool.
A bad boy with a good heart. That's usually the characters that I'm drawn to.
Quintessentially, don't go by the title alone. If you see what we end up doing or what we are called Gundes because the system can't call us anything else. So we are not just playing bad people. There's a journey, there are circumstances.
Not on screen. On screen, I was very well behaved.
My character also has many shades. Ray-Ban, Gucci, Dolce Gabbana.
See, it's not about good and bad. It's about there are circumstances in every film. It's about right and wrong. So it's not only about the title that you go, okay, they're outlaws or they're renegades. It's what makes them that is what the film is about. There's a lot of fun, there's a lot of entertainment in the film, but there's also a story which has a lot of emotion. Why they become who they become, and what happens when this beautiful woman comes into their life.
Again, off screen. I was only doing stunts. इसकी असलियत निकल के आती है बाहर.
देखिए मेरे चेहरे में प्रॉब्लम है. लोग मुझे देख के मान ही नहीं सकते कि ये शरीफ है, जो कि एक्चुअली मैं बड़ा शरीफ हूँ, लेकिन मेरे फेस के स्ट्रक्चर में प्रॉब्लम है. तो एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये है.
I think the amount of shades that Nandita's character has, there's so many different emotions that are going on in her head at all times, and I think that for me was the coolest part, to actually at one point in every scene to not have an isolated emotion. For me, that was really cool. Again, off screen. I was only doing stunts.
Ladies and gentlemen, the director of Gunde, Ali Abbas Zafar.
But I love how you say that Calcutta is a place for sweet people. Yeah, it is. It's actually Bengali is one of the most sweetest language that India has. This film required the kind of setup that the backdrop the film has post 1971, when these two boys from the other side, which is the Bangladesh now, illegally immigrate into a city. They obviously will come to Calcutta because that's just next door. Okay, and because the film is set with the backdrop of a lot of real events that India went through in that period between 1971 to 1988, we wanted a very realistic setting. Also, the film, in terms of the script, has a lot of cultural carpet around the character. Every film is not set in Delhi and Bombay. Because visually, when a location changes, it also brings a certain amount of freshness to the film, and that's what our idea was. We are all fortunate enough to sit here at at such young age and get compared with a legendary film called Sholay. I hope the film does at least 50% of the justice. I think the thing that I would like to say is it's the energy that these three main characters bring onto the screen, which will definitely remind you of some kind of films that we were making in those times. I hope that gets communicated to an audience, and we're all hopeful with it. And that's why we are here today. We're all nervous and excited. The film will be shown for the first time.
Sorry.
Shukran, Habibi. Can you please continue? No. Next.
लास्ट टाइम इनका नाम था एनर्जाइजर बनी, अब क्या है?
सेंटी हो के बातें भी, अरे सेंटी हो के बातें भी तू कर रहा है सेंटी यार। हाँ मैंने मारी एंट्री यार, दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग।
अरे तूने मारी एंट्री यार, दिल में बजी घंटी